Gut health is more than just avoiding digestive discomfort. It also affects your immune system, your mood, and your overall well-being. The foods you eat can have a big impact on the balance and diversity of your gut microbiome, which is the community of trillions of bacteria that live in your gastrointestinal tract. Some foods can help nourish and support the growth of beneficial bacteria, while others can harm or disrupt them. Here are 15 foods that you can include in your diet to improve your gut health overnight. Yogurt is one of the most popular sources of probiotics, which are live bacteria that can benefit your gut. Look for yogurt that has live and active cultures on the label, and avoid products that have added sugar or artificial sweeteners. Kefir is a fermented milk drink that has a tangy and slightly fizzy taste. It contains a variety of probiotic strains, as well as protein and calcium. You can drink it plain or add it to smoothies or cereals. Sauerkraut is fermented cabbage that has a sour and crunchy texture. It is rich in probiotics, as well as vitamin C and fiber. You can eat it as a side dish or add it to salads, sandwiches, or soups. Kimchi is a spicy Korean dish made from fermented vegetables, such as cabbage, radish, and cucumber. It has a similar probiotic profile to sauerkraut, but also contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds from the spices and seasonings. Kombucha is a fermented tea drink that has a slightly sweet and sour flavor. It contains probiotics, as well as organic acids and polyphenols that may have health benefits. However, be careful with the amount you drink, as some kombucha products may have high sugar or alcohol content. Miso is a paste made from fermented soybeans and grains. It has a savory and umami flavor that can enhance soups, sauces, dressings, and marinades. Miso contains probiotics, as well as protein, iron, and vitamin K. Tempeh is another fermented soy product that has a firm and chewy texture. It is a good source of plant-based protein, fiber, and probiotics. You can slice it and bake it or stir-fry it with vegetables and seasonings. Bananas are not only a convenient and delicious snack, but also a good source of prebiotics, which are fibers that feed the probiotics in your gut. Bananas also contain potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6. Onions are another prebiotic food that can support the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gut. They also contain antioxidants, such as quercetin, that may protect against inflammation and oxidative stress. Apples are rich in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that acts as a prebiotic and helps regulate bowel movements. Apples also contain polyphenols, which may have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. Sweet potatoes are a starchy vegetable that can provide prebiotics for your gut microbiome. They are also high in beta-carotene, vitamin C, and potassium. Raspberries are one of the highest fiber fruits you can eat. With 8 grams per cup, they also contain antioxidants, such as anthocyanins, that may protect against chronic diseases. Flax seeds are small seeds that have a nutty flavor and a high fiber content. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and phytoestrogens that may have hormonal and anti-inflammatory benefits. Chia seeds are similar to flax seeds in their nutritional profile, but they also have the ability to absorb water and form a gel-like substance that can help keep you hydrated and full. Chicory root is often used as a coffee substitute or an additive in low-carb foods to increase their fiber content. It contains inulin, a type of prebiotic fiber that may improve blood sugar control and cholesterol levels.